The peace of Christ be with us all. Welcome to another interesting journey into the Word using today's Gospel passage taken from Luke chapter 6 verses 39 to 42. It's a simple passage that helps us make adjustments to the way we see ourselves and others. Hence the need to fix our lens and change our perspectives. Our openness and humility to do so will be to our advantage because it's we who will keep getting better and better, wiser, and move forward faster and higher. Such willingness to make changes to our own known and unknown weaknesses will also turn our shortcomings into strengths and will all turn out to be a blessing to us in the long run. The world around us is often critical, finding fault and judging others, whether invited to do so or not. Worse still, many a half-cooked person speak loudly against others without realizing their own glaring faults, weaknesses, and shortcomings. And that's what Jesus addresses in today's gospel. Through the three parables in and within Luke chapter 6 verses 39 to 42, Jesus teaches us three precious lessons. The first is in verse 39. Today, let's ask ourselves, are we a guide to the souls around us? And are others looking at us for advice and solutions and guidance to the challenges they are facing in their life? And if we say yes, then Jesus asks us today to make sure we are worthy to be the right guide or teacher to others, provided we ourselves know the way forward and how to face, handle, and overcome the challenges ahead. The reason is given in the second parable in today's gospel in verse 40. Jesus makes it clear that a disciple can never ever be above his master or teacher. In and through this parable, we are asked to check our ego as we learn more and more and discover lots of new things that even our teacher or those in authority above us have not taught us. Do we sometimes feel superior to them? While it is natural for some of us to feel so, Jesus is referring to us and our relationship with Him. Jesus is God. He is omniscient, omnipotent, and omnipresent. Three qualities we can try to emulate and tap, but never ever override, overpower, or outdo. Hence, it's a call to follow faithfully as a humble disciple who keeps getting better. As we show our thirst, our inner thirst and teachability, and our humility and eagerness to become and be more and more worthy from God's perspective, we will win the Master's favor and blessings, and someday become fully qualified to be like our teacher and master, Jesus Christ, as stated in today's gospel. Jesus makes it clear in the third parable, in verses 41 and 42, that we need to fix our lens and perspective of others before finding faults or correcting them. He is sternly against the holier-than-thou attitude and those who have an oversized ego and superiority complex, and they force that qualities upon those around them, especially those who seem weaker than them. Instead, Jesus makes it clear that if we humbly check ourselves and assess our weaknesses and focus on constantly and continuously improving ourselves, we would definitely be doing the right thing and the wiser thing. So we come back to the title of today's video. After reading today's gospel, let's check if we need to fix or refix or adjust our lenses and the way we look at others and the world. Let's ask ourselves, do we see beauty in ugliness, or are we constantly being critical and judgmental about those around us? So, as we reflect on all these, we now know what to do. Let's readjust our lenses and change our perspective from negative to positive, and from bringing others down to lifting others up. In this way, Jesus, our Master, will be very pleased with us as his worthy disciples. By making sure that we do such changes, we will be emulating our Master and show that we are good disciples who keep getting better and better, wiser and wiser, to guide others at their hour of need. Shall we say a big amen to that? And so be it from today in our life. Amen.